Am I audible, everyone? If I'm audible, thumbs up, then I will start my today's class. So let us exercise 7.1, the basic concept of congruence of triangle. We have discussed. If you want, I will recall that one. May I recall the congruence of triangle that we have done already in the class? That, look at here. I'm just recalling that what we have done in the last class. That is triple S means 3 sides of one triangle is equal to another triangle. Means 3 साइड किसी एक ट्राइंगल की अनदर ट्राइंगल्स की तीनों साइड से इक्वल होगा, देन ट्रिपल एस and SAS. Here I said 2 sides and one angle. An angle will be included. Please, this is the important key. 2 sides and one angle of one triangle is equals to the another triangle. To the, no need to write this thing. These things already we have done. Only just look at this screen. No need to write. Means किसी एक triangle.
Sir, I got my network got disconnected, so I was not there.
I started here. I'm just recalling the last class concept.
Yes, sir. You told this.
I'm just recalling and just remind you what we have done in the last class, because this is important to get connected to you, the concept what we have done in the last class, because I know that after the class no one study. That's why I need to recall, because
sir, I've watched that videos on YouTube.
That already I told in the class. If the class was missed by you, there is link of YouTube. I have portal in a group. Please go there and watch that video. It was my class recording video. If you not attended the previous classes, then watch this video, then come to this live class.
Sir, I must watch again because to get the concept again clearly.
So, but why it is not coming up that videos?
Sorry?
Huh?
So why it is not coming?
Listen, in earlier chapter videos will be also uploaded as soon as possible. Don't worry. Those who not attended the live class.
Sir, he said that the voice of the videos are not audible. He said like that.
Why?
It's audible. Sir, yeah, it's audible.
It is audible because I have also seen the whole video. I watch all video myself. Complete video was there.
So I will see again.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Now, angle.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
It's
audible.
Angle side angle or angle side. I'm just smiling or laughing in this way because I'm not saying to like and subscribe. Don't. It's your interest if you want to do. Okay.
Yes, sir. Subscribe. Like also.
Okay. I'm not interested that part. That you are getting. If you like that video, then definitely the like from there. But I'm not.
हाँ सर, और आप ये भी कर सकते हो, मतलब आप वीडियो डालने से पहले उसे प्रीमियर करके आप उस पे मतलब वो लाइव चलेगा और कमेंट्स लाइव दिखेंगी.
I know that. I know that.
अगर किसी को आएंगे तो पूछ सकते हैं.
But no problem. The video I'm not going to premiere. I will upload the video recording. Then you will watch anytime. Because in premiere the video will be started at that time only. ठीक है?
सर कभी भी देख सकते हैं हम उसे बाद में.
प्रीमियर में कहाँ आपको देखते? प्रीमियर में जब स्टार्ट होगा आपका तभी तो आप देख पाओगे ना। एक टाइम उस
हाँ,
टाइम,
और एक बार एंड होने के बाद हम फिर से देख पाएंगे कभी भी।
हाँ एक बार आपको देख लिया फिर वो दिखता रहेगा, लेकिन मान लो मैंने शाम को 5 बजे प्रीमियर डाला तो आप 3 से 4 बजे तक वेट करते रहोगे, क्या फायदा?
नहीं सर, सर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा
नोटिफिकेशन
क्या
आएगा।
बोल रहे हो। सर आप जब उसे अपलोड करते हो उसी टाइम को आप बस प्रीमियर करो, और
I
फिर
know.
जो भी सब्सक्राइब्ड है उनको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगी और वो आ जाएंगे। और 2 से मतलब मिनिमम 5 मिनट का टाइमर होता है उसमें, 5 मिनट के बाद ही वो स्टार्ट होता है अपलोड होने के बाद।
Okay, okay, I will do this. So angle, side angle, here 2 angles and one side, ठीक है, 2 angles and one side. Side will be included or excluded. It's both way here works, ठीक है। Means side का inclusion is not important here, but the things 2 angles and one side will be there. One side equals to another side, another 2 angles, another triangles, right? Then it will be understandable, ठीक है। Now RHS, for RHS is, if I will say right hypotenuse and side of one triangle is equals to another triangle. Now one thing I want to tell, these things will be okay to you, these things already I have discussed.
Yes sir,
Okay.
but once tell the RHS one.
RHS is very easy. Right means right angle, hypo means hypotenuse, side means any side, base और altitude. अगर किसी ट्राइंगल में, किसी राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में राइट एंगल आपका हाइपोटेनस और एक कोई भी साइड बेस और एल्टीट्यूड वो इक्वल है किसके, किसी दूसरे ट्राइंगल के with the same way, then both the triangles will be congruent. Up now the question will comes maybe from your side, after congruence of triangle what will happen? Nobody know. मान लो 2 triangles, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Suppose I said both the triangles will be congruent. After that what will happen? After that what will happen?
आंसर हो जाएगा।
Nobody know ना। After that
नहीं
you
sir।
can say, after that you can say by sorry, एक मिनट just wait. अरे undo नहीं हो रहा अभी, not working. By CPCT. What is the full form of CPCT? Look at here. Congruent. Oh, sorry. Corresponding part of
congruence band.
Wait. Corresponding part of
सर वो आर है, मुझे लगा एन है।
congruent triangle. This is the full form of CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. ठीक है, what does that mean? From the expanded word it is clear. यानी corresponding part of congruent triangle, यानी कि आपके जो congruent triangle, look at the screen. Both the triangles will congruent. I'm telling you. तो corresponding part means angle A is equals to angle P. देखो जो पहले होगा पहले के इक्वल, सेंटर वाला सेंटर के, कॉर्नर वाला कॉर्नर के, A is equals to P, B is equals to Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. After the triangle congruence, then it will happen. Okay, and second thing, AB is equals to PQ, BC is equals to QR, means first two, last two, last two, first and third. AC is equals to PR. All the things will be always equal after the congruence of triangle. ठीक है, अगर हम लोग दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को कॉन्वेंस दिखा देंगे तो हम आराम से बाय सीपीसीटी कॉन्सेप्ट से लिख सकते हैं कि दोनों ट्राइंगल्स के सभी एंगल्स, तीनों एंगल्स और तीनों साइड्स आपस में इक्वल होंगे. आर यू गेटिंग मी क्लास 7th और नॉट?
यस, मतलब जो
Yes,
भी
sir.
जितने भी उसमें एंगल्स है, ट्रायंगल्स है, साइड्स है, वो सारे इक्वल
Okay.
होंगे.
ठीक है. Now these are the concept that I need to recall. Now coming to exercise 7.1. Look at the exercise 7.1. I think the screen is visual of exercise 7.1 to you.
No, not yet.
अरे ऐसा कैसे? How is it possible? It was
सर वाइट स्क्रीन ही है अभी भी.
no.
हाँ, आप भी आ गई, आप भी आ
On
गई.
my end
Yes,
it
sir.
was.
Now.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It may be it was network issue
Ow.
from your end or from my end. Okay.
Sir, I
Now.
think you were in because no one were able to see.
Now exercise 7.1. Look at the complete the following statement. Two line segments are congruent if. When two line segments are congruent, I told this thing in the first or second class. If yes, anyone? When two line segments are congruent. No one know
When
now.
their lengths and breadths are equal.
Length only, because line segment doesn't have any
length.
breadth. Okay.
Sir, in I think first only you told this.
Two line segments are congruent if their length equal. ठीक है. और मैंने congruent की मीनिंग बहुत अच्छे से समझाई थी. Congruent means their shape and size both are equal. ठीक है. Now look at here among two congruent angles. Now congruent angles, one has measure 70, the measure of other angle. What is that?
70.
Yes, because
Because
two
they are
angles
congruent
are
angles.
two angles are congruent. That means both are equal. Both angles are equal. ठीक है.
Yes.
अब देखो, when we write angle A is equal to B, we actually mean both the angles will be
Both
means
are congruent.
angle congruent angle. इसका आंसर यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है. Actually means angles are congruent. Angles are
congruent.
maybe the same language is not exactly matched with the answer sheet, but the meaning will be same. ठीक है. So have you noted down this one?
Yes, wait.
Now everyone, those who are present, submit your notebooks as soon as possible in the school campus for correction. ठीक है.
Yes.
Aryan Musale is still not audio connected. I don't know why he is in the class then. Now question number 2. Give any two real life examples for congruent shapes. This is very easy. Just tell me.
Sir, our glasses, cup, tea sets.
अरे
Cup
भाई,
sets.
textbook of class 7th.
अरे हाँ, textbooks.
Class 7th. Or anyone?
Mobiles.
हाँ. Two
Same model mobiles.
mobile phones of same company of same brand, है ना?
And same model.
Same model भाई.
Power banks.
They are congruent. Anything else?
Mic,
Let Mangesh Munde beta. I think you want to
mobile,
say. Hey, Mangesh Munde.
Glass.
Wait. I want answer from Mangesh beta. Yes.
Power banks.
Huh?
Power banks, he said.
Power
Power
bank.
banks.
Very good. Very good. Power bank. Or clap for at least.
Laptop. iPad. Cushions.
So many examples are there.
Bed sheets.
अरे ठीक है.
Blocks.
Tripod.
Okay. Now stop. ABC is congruent. Now look at here. Look at the meaning of this one. ABC is
Which
congruent to FED under the correspondence. ABC, FED both are equal to, it means both are equivalence. This is your equivalence sign. Equivalence sign. And this is your congruent sign.
Congruence sign.
Please make the difference between both the symbols. Congruence sign. Okay, under the means here it is said that both the triangles will congruent. तो मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले जस्ट बताया, अगर दोनों triangles आपके congruent हैं, then what will happen by CP/CT?
CP/CT I know.
Okay, CP/CT लपेट दिया था, कोई बात नहीं. तो CP/CT by CP/CT we will say all the angles and all the sides will be equal. ठीक है?
Equal.
तो अब आप कैसे राइट करोगे? राइट ऑल द करेस्पॉन्डिंग कॉन्ग्रुएंट पार्ट. तो एंगल A इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल F,
Angle F.
B इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल
B is
E,
equals to E.
एंगल C इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल D. Yes or no, class? Please tell me.
Yes. और
And-
वैसे
Yes.
AC is equals to FD.
AB is equals to FE. Very good. BC is equals to ED
EB.
and AC is equals to FD. पहले आप कॉर्नर
FD.
कॉर्नर कर लिया करो, देन
हाँ.
सॉरी पहले फर्स्ट टू लास्ट टू देन कॉर्नर कॉर्नर. ठीक है, ये बहुत आसान तरीका है आपको लिखने का. अगर दो ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट
हाँ
मैंने
सर, उसे ही
आपको
उल्टा करके भी लिख सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ मैंने
CA
आपको
is
कोशिश तो
equals
की
to
है बहुत
AC.
अच्छे से समझाने की. अब आप समझ पाए मेरी बात को कि नहीं, क्योंकि ये चैप्टर्स बहुत दिनों से मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ. I think everything will be get clear to you regarding this chapter.
Yep.
Whatever I had done up to now. Now look at here. If triangle DEF and BCA, look at this one now. DEF and BCA. Look at the order are not same, but don't worry. If the both the triangles will be congruent, then their corresponding part will always equal. So according to this, एंगल D इक्वल्स टू एंगल B. सो क्या पूछा उसने? एंगल E किसके इक्वल होगा? एंगल E इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल C.
C.
यस, आर यू गेटिंग मी क्लास और नॉट?
हाँ, उसकी
देखो
जगह पे
एंगल E सेंटर में है, तो सेंटर वाला ही एंगल लेंगे हम लोग. अब देखो EF इज दिस वन, सो वी विल राइट CA, वी विल राइट CA. यस और नो? Yes or last
और D का है B.
एंगल F लास्ट में है, तो लास्ट वाला ये एंगल हम लोग लेंगे एंगल A. ठीक है,
D
और
BA.
DF इक्वल्स टू DF इक्वल्स टू BA. सो ये BA हो गया, F हो गया एंगल A, EF हो गया CA और E हो गया आपका C. These are the answers for question number 4. I think the basic concept or the questions are clear of this exercise or not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
सर,
Okay,
अब
okay.
15 करोड़ साल तक हम
Yes.
नहीं भूलेंगे, क्योंकि तब तक हम जिएंगे ही नहीं.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now moving on to the next question. Question number 5. No, question number 5 is not there. So only question number
Done.
4 up to question number 4 there. Now
Appu and
moving on-
Tippu.
Now, because the concept is clear, now move on to the next exercise. Because
Yes.
that's why always I will discuss the concept firstly, then exercise continuously going on.
Yes, sir.
To complete exercise 7.1 in your fair notebooks as well as 7.2. The
Yeah, sir.
question,
Yes.
how many questions
सर,
I will
अप्पू और
complete.
टिप्पू को भी लिखना है.
And please listen to me. 7.2 exercise solutions already uploaded in last year video was uploaded, which was I have discussed with the last year students of 7th standard. It was already in my channel. So if you want to willing to watch that one, you can. There's means almost a 7th class video will be uploaded there. But don't worry,
Means,
if they are uploaded, it doesn't mean I
2027
will not discuss
class.
here. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes.
सर
If the videos
2020 की
are
7th क्लास ना?
if the videos are there, then it doesn't mean I will not discuss the chapter. I will definitely discuss the chapter. Don't worry about that.
Yes, sir.
In your class video also they are uploaded as soon as possible today. ठीक है?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, how many chapters are coming in midterm exam?
It was already discussed by me, but again I will tell you if you are interested.
4 chapters.
Just give me some time, I will tell you. Just give me some time. Give me 1 minute, I will tell you what are the chapters, how many chapters are coming. Just give me 1 minute. Midterm syllabus. Yes, this one. Now I hope my screen is visible to you. Midterm syllabus. Yes or no? Class. So these are the chapters.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is done. This is done. This is going on. This is need to complete. This one already completed. This one already means comparing quantity is only remaining now. Okay. So these 6 chapters will be coming in your midterm. According to these 6 chapters, your paper will be made by me. Okay. So now look at now exercise 7.2. Now 7.2 is exercise is visible to you.
Yes.
Now which congruence? Now look at here. This is these are very easy, but you have to concentrate on this question. Which congruence criteria or rule means triple S, RHS, SAS, or angle side angle or angle side? All these 4 criteria, any one of them will be applied. So look at here. Look at AC is equals to DF, means this side is equal to this side. AB is equals to DE, this side is equal to this side. And BC is equals to EF, BC is equals to EF. This. So which congruence rule will apply over here? बताओ, तीनों sides आपकी equal हैं. So that means triple S.
Yes.
Triple S, very good. How many of you get this answer? Triple S will be there because all the 3 sides will be equal. So ABC triangles congruence DF. आपको केवल congruence rule बताना है, congruence criteria बताना है आपको. Is this question is clear? First A part.
Yes.
Sir. Yes.
Here triple S. Now listen to me. B1. ZX is equals to RP. This one. RQ is equals to ZY. This one. And PRQ. यानी कि this angle is equals to XZY. This angle. Now tell me which property will follow? SAS.
Yes.
Yes. क्योंकि देखो side angle side. So here SAS congruence rule. Is it okay, class?
Yes.
Those who are very regular in my classes, no one will confused because I had discussed all the things very slowly.
Yes, sir.
Those who not attended the class, no problem. The help will be there in YouTube. Okay, you will watch that videos. Both the videos will be there. No problem. Now you will not suffer in my subjects because after the class, suppose some student not able to understood, some student not getting the concept at the live class. You can watch the video again and again. You will get the each and everything. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good, Vaishnav Acharya. Now question number C. MLN angle. MLN. This angle. Look at here. This angle. मीन्स जो एंगल्स राइट होते हैं बीच, सेंटर विल बी द मेन मीनिंग, नॉट कॉर्नर्स. G will be this one. NML. This angle is equals to GFH. This one. Okay, so two angles and one side. ML is equals to FG. Right? तो देखो, एंगल साइड एंगल, एंगल साइड एंगल, एंगल साइड एंगल, यानी कि यहाँ पर कौन सी लगेगी? एंगल साइड एंगल रूल. क्योंकि बिकॉज टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल इन वन साइड. और देखो साइड विल बी इंक्लूडेड, क्योंकि जो साइड आपकी है ना, मैंने आपको ये चीज समझाई थी. अगर नहीं समझे हो तो कोई बात नहीं. एमएल अगर जैसी है तो आपको एम और एल एंगल दोनों अगर इक्वल दिए गए हैं तो देखो M is here, L is here, so it will be angle side angle. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now fourth one,
Yes,
given fourth one, FB is equals to DE. FB कहाँ है भैया? FB, no sorry, EB है. EB, this one is, it is actually given in the question. AE is equals to BC, AE is equals to BC. This one is equal to this one, and angle A is equal to angle C. So देखो right angle, hypotenuse side and one of the sides. ठीक है, तो RHS यानी कि चारों क्वेश्चंस आपको किसके हो गए? एक ट्रिपल एस का हो गया, एक साइड एंगल साइड का हो गया, एक एंगल साइड एंगल का हो गया, और एक आपका राइट हाइपोटेनस साइड का हो गया. So first question I hope clear to everyone. If not clear,
yes,
please tell me. I will repeat that one. No problem.
Sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number second. You want to show that ART congruence P. अब देखो, try to understand the meaning of this one. हमें इस चीज को दिखाना है. किसको? ART और PEN को. Look at here. ART और PN को हमें मतलब है जी, हमें दिखाना है, यानी कि हम कुछ चीज हम लेंगे तो क्या क्या हमें लेना पड़ेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू ट्रिपल एस रूल. तो ट्रिपल एस रूल के अकॉर्डिंग क्या करोगे? फर्स्ट टू
तीनों साइड लेने हैं.
हाँ, फर्स्ट टू, सेकंड टू, कॉर्नर. तो देखो AR कौन सा है आपका? फर्स्ट टू है, तो इट्स वेरी इजी, दैट विल बी PE. यस और नो? क्योंकि देखो, look at the question, look at the triangle name. That first AR will be there, then PE will be definitely here. If RT will be there, then PN will be there. And here AT will be there, AT will be there, then TN will be there, right? Very good. So I hope you get this also according to. अब क्योंकि हमें इसको ट्रिपल एस से लेना था तो इस हिसाब से हम लोग करेंगे. Now listen to me. Question number second B part. If it is given that T is equals to n, आपको उसने बोल दिया कि इक्वल है. You are used to SAS criteria, यानी कि SAS लगाने के लिए मतलब ये एंगल आपका इक्वल है. हाँ, यानी कि आपको ये साइड दिखानी होगी इक्वल, और ये साइड, क्योंकि साइड एंगल साइड means angle here must be included. Yes or no?
Yes.
Angle must be included. That's why whatever the sides, whatever the angles you have taken, this angle will be definitely lies between these two sides. So AT is equals to PN. Look at their AT is equals to PN and RT is equals to EN. Right class or no? आप
Yes, sir.
यहाँ से भी कर सकते हो, यहाँ से भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मतलब उसने PN को, इट्स वेरी इजी, PN को उसने कुछ नहीं किया, ऐसे किया वैसे किया. तो that's means a very easy concept. You all know.
4 करो या फिर 4+4 करो, एक ही आंसर आएगा. 2+1 करो या फिर 1+2 करो, एक ही आएगा.
Right. So now see, it is given that AT is equals to PN. Okay. यू आर टू यूज एंगल साइड एंगल, यानी कि आपको साइड देखो इंक्लूडेड है, एंगल साइड विल बी इन द सेंटर, तो एंगल्स हमें ऐसे लेने पड़ेंगे जो इसी साइड्स पर बने हो, यानी कि एक एंगल आपको ये लेना पड़ेगा इक्वल इसके, और ये एंगल लेना पड़ेगा इसके, राइट। मैंने आपको चीज बहुत अच्छी समझाई थी, आई थिंक यू ऑल आर गेटिंग।
Yes, sir.
So look at here. Now here you have to write the angles. So angle A is equals to angle P, angle T is equals to angle N. ठीक है?
N.
Means here question mark is there. Means it is not giving any of the part like in given these parts. It is directly asked. Tell me the name of the angles. है ना?
Yes.
Okay. Now C part. Sorry, C is done. Let me move on. 3 minutes are remaining. Now question number 3. It is this question I have given in last year midterm examination.
Screen is paused.
This question, listen, this question I have given to the students of current 8th standard in midterm examination. Maybe in your examination also come. ठीक है?
Sir, which?
Third question. Yes, now we can.
How can you say
Yes,
it is
now.
hard? It is very easy. Listen to me.
No sir, मैंने बोला वो दिख नहीं रहा था, अब भी दिख रहा है.
Okay. Steps now AMP and AMQ both are congruent triangle, यानी कि दोनों ट्राइंगल्स क्या है, कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं। ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, कौन कह रहा है? क्वेश्चन। हाँ, वेरी गुड। वैसे भी मैं केवल बोलता हूँ, बाकी कहता क्वेश्चन ही है सब कुछ। उसकी फीलिंग्स को मैं अपने वर्ड्स की लैंग्वेज में बदल देता हूँ, नथिंग एल्स। Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
With little bit some advancement of the
Fine.
concept or something else, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so question number 3. Look at both the triangles will congruent. So AM is equals to AM, it is common thing. MP is equals to MQ. Look at it, PM is equals to QM. That means it is taking reverse way. It is taking reverse direction. Means it is taking PM, QM. Regions क्या दोगे?
PM.
Regions क्या दोगे? Supply the missing region. Yes. क्या राइट करोगे आप?
मतलब सर मुझे नहीं समझ में आया ये क्वेश्चन.
अरे देखो, लिसन टू मी. पहले समझ ही नहीं रहे हो आप लोग, कोई बात नहीं समझ रहे, समझाना मेरा काम है, फिर नहीं समझ रहे. ठीक है, ए देखो ये ट्रायंगल उसने पहले यू हैव टू शो दैट AM इज इक्वल्स टू AM, यानी कि इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स को आपको कॉन्ग्रुएंट दिखाना है. तो PM इज इक्वल्स टू QM. आप PM इज इक्वल्स टू QM, इट इज गिवन टू यू इन द फिगर. यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे, क्योंकि ये गिवन है, हम लोगों को पहले से ही सिंबल्स बना हुआ है, इस वजह से हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे, गिवन.
सर लेस देन 1 मिनट.
हाँ ओके, कोई बात नहीं. सो नाउ PMA, तो दिस इज आल्सो गिवन. आपको रीजंस में ही देना है, इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. AM इज इक्वल्स टू AM, दिस इज योर कॉमन, क्योंकि AM क्या है, दोनों ट्रायंगल्स में देखो AM आपका इसमें भी है और AM आपका इसमें भी है, तो दिस इज कॉमन. तो अब देखो कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी लग रही है, साइड एंगल साइड, साइड एंगल साइड. यस,
SS
तो यहाँ पर क्या
सास.
लिखेंगे, साइड एंगल साइड,
सास लग रही है
कॉन्ग्रुएंस रूल.
सर, उसमें सास लग रही है, सास.
हाँ,
ऐसे
हाँ.
सास.
ठीक है, जो भी करना हो, सास ससुर जो भी करना हो, लेकिन अभी SS पढ़ोगे.
सास ससुर.
ठीक है, तो
Sir,
okay, so now meeting getting over, we will discuss